Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of logout. On the application of Telegram, you will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Telegram and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your